Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import transparent video in Blender. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you can use a video with transparency in Blender, but there is one important requirement I'm saying. So the video must actually contain an alpha channel. So a normal MP4 file with a black or green background is not automatically transparent. So for true transparency, you need to use a format or slash codec that preserves alpha, such as suitable QuickTime, etc., like that, MOB workflow, or image sequence with RGBA. So yeah, you can actually download some transparent video on VecTC right here. It's pretty much free and for for testing only. So for I downloaded it as a for the tutorial. So Blender can load movie files as image movie texture, and its image system supports alpha channels. So that's why you need to have an alpha channel on your MP4. So first check your video whether it has a transparency. So after that you can just go on. So we need to create a plane first. So create a plane, open Blender, and just delete the the cube on the middle, and now create a plane. Press Shift A and go to mesh and click plane right here. So now you now have a plane. So scale the plane, press S and scale it to 10, at least this one. So now create a material. So need to select the plane. So now right here in the shading properties, you will see now the principal BSDF in the material input. So now we need to add the video. Press Shift A under shader editor and go to the image texture right here. Go to the texture, go to image texture, and this one. Then add it, open it, and select your video. This one right here, MP4. So now we just need to connect this one into the principal BSDF. So now if you use the alpha one, you need to connect the alpha 2. So image texture alpha to principal BSDF alpha. So now right here you need to enable transparency. So select the material now. So depending on your Blender version or rendering setup, configuring the material transparency blending behavior so that the alpha channel is used for the surface. So for EB, check the material settings related to transparency and blending. And the exact UI can change between Blender releases, so don't rely on older tutorials, showing the old blend mode to alpha blend menu right here. So after doing that, after connecting all the nodes, check if your video is actually has an alpha. So this is very important. So you need to connect your alpha. Doesn't create transparency if the video doesn't contain an alpha channel. So your video needs something like red, green, blue, and alpha right here. So for example, person, etc. So you need to check the alpha channel in Blender. So open the image editor. So this is the image editor. Look for the channel display option, because if we play right here, if we press space, yeah, I think it does not necessarily being a transparent video, right? So select your video right here and uh, look for the channel display options. So this one right here, so this is the channel display option. As you can see, it is color and alpha. So it has an alpha. So if the file contains alpha, you should be able to inspect the alpha channel right here. So yeah, this is the alpha channel, right? That's it. So now look through the material settings section. So go to the materials properties right here on the right side, and if you're using EV, make sure that the material is configured to respect the alpha transparency rather than treating the surface as completely opaque. So under the material settings section, this one, make sure that the uh, exact transparency control depends on the render engine. So now we need to test in material preview. So at the top right of the 3D viewport, select material preview right here. So don't test only in solid mode. You should now see the video of your plane. If the video background is transparent, you should see the Blender environment behind it, you know? So test in render view. Go to the, and that's it. So yeah, that's it. So if you press play, yes, you can see if you, so you can see the video is now transparent, and you can see the upside and the down. You can see the things upside and downside of the plane, and yeah, that's it. That's how you can create a transparent background. And so now if your background is black, if you see a black, add the entire black, and the entire background is black, do not assume that the black is transparency. So it can simply be an RGB video. So yeah, that's it. So if you have a green screen, if your video is a person and plus a green screen background, it does not have a transparency automatically. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can install or add transparent video on Blender. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.